To create a zone on Parkoffice, click on Companies at the top of the screen. You will now see a list of all of your companies on Parkoffice. Click Manage on the right side for preferred companies that you would like to add a zone to. From this page, scroll down and click on Create Zone. Enter the name of your zone and enter a description for your zone. The description of your zone should provide directions to the spaces or Google Maps links for your employees to see. Enter the amount of parking spaces that are available in that zone. You can add space names which can be assigned to specific members of staff. The total amount of spaces the zone has needs to match the amount of spaces that are named. Also, each space needs to have different names for their spaces across different zones. For example, if a space in Zone 1 is named 1A, a space in Zone 2 cannot be named 1A as well. Next, we need to tell the system which groups are allowed to park in the zone by clicking on the Manage button on the right side of the screen. To allow a group to park in a specific zone, find the group in the menu and enter a value for spaces allocated to the group from the zone and click Add. Allocating 5 spaces to a group in a zone with 10 spaces means that the group can only park at 5 spaces in that zone. If a zone has 10 spaces and you allocate 10 spaces to a group that is guaranteed and 10 spaces to a group that is not guaranteed, the guaranteed group will always get their booking over the non-guaranteed group. If one person from the guaranteed group cancels, then one person from the non-guaranteed group can take their spot. When you're finished allocating spaces, hit Done and you'll be returned to the Zone Overview page. I will now show you how to assign spaces. Assigned spaces are only allowed for guaranteed groups in the company. First, from the dashboard, click on Companies at the top of the screen. You will now see a list of all of your companies on Parkoffice. Click on the company that needs assigned parking spaces. Scroll down and click on Guaranteed Parking Group to assign a parking space. You will now see a full list of your staff. Here you can adjust your staff's priority and assign spaces to your staff. Click Save and you have now finished assigning parking on Parkoffice.